pixels to protocols, the Shopify AI optimization blueprint. Welcome, everyone. Today we are looking at how to make your Shopify store understandable for the next generation of shoppers. AI agents like ChatGPT and Claude. Think of this as giving your store a digital upgrade for the year 2026. We are moving away from just showing pictures and toward sharing a clear blueprint that machines can actually read and process. The interface shift from human browsing to agent reasoning. Think about how we usually shop. We see a website filled with pop-ups, banners, and big hero images. It's like walking through a crowded, noisy bazaar. But AI agents do not have eyes. They see HTML soup and get distracted by all that visual noise. By giving them structured JSON data instead, we are handing them a clean, organized spreadsheet they can cite perfectly instead of having to guess what you sell. The visibility gap. Why your store is invisible to AI. Right now, your store might be blocked because an AI agent is trying to read it like a messy, handwritten book. AI agents use something called Retrieval Augmented Generation, which is like opening a book to answer a question. If that book is written in messy HTML, the AI cannot find the price or specs and will ignore your product. We need to turn that mess into a readable, flattened hierarchy where every detail is clear and logical. The solution, a shadow API for robots. Imagine your store has two separate paths, one for humans and one for robots. The human path is visual and heavy, while the robot path, called the LLMS.txt standard, is like a robot passport. It tells the AI to ignore all the marketing fluff and go straight to the light. Instant raw data, it needs to help a customer quickly. The 4-step execution workflow. We're going to get this done in about 15 minutes with a simple 4-step plan. We will extract your data, transform it into a better format, post it on your site, and then signal to the robots exactly where to find it. It is a quick process that makes a massive difference in how AI sees your business. Step 1. Extracting the raw data. First, we head into your Shopify admin area to export your product list. Here is a critical detail. Make sure you select CSV for Excel instead of the plain version. This ensures we preserve the technical variant data and details we need for the restructuring step coming up next. Step 2. The logic gap. Why we must transform. A standard CSV file is like a flat, messy pile of laundry where everything is mixed together. AI much prefers a semantic tree, like JSON, where a single product acts as the trunk and its different sizes, colors, or prices are the branches. This unified context makes it much easier for the AI to understand the relationships in your catalog. Step 2. Executing the transformation. You do not need to be a coder to do this. You can just use a specific prompt for an AI like Claude or ChatGPT. You will tell the AI to take that CSV and convert it into a clean JSON format. If your file is huge, you can ask the AI to split it into multiple files. This gives you a clean products.json file that acts as the brain of your store for robots. Step 3. Hosting the clean data and capturing the link. Now I need to put that new file where the robots can actually find it. Go to the content section in your Shopify admin and find files. Upload your new products.json file to the Shopify CDN. Once it is uploaded, copy that link immediately because it serves as the direct address to your store structured data. Step 4 and 5. Drafting a passport and a naked template hack. Now we create a simple text file called LLMS.txt and paste your CDN link inside. Since Shopify usually blocks root uploads, we use a clever hack by creating a new liquid template named LLMS. We delete all the code and paste a snippet that strips away all visual HTML. It leaves behind only the raw, naked text for the robots to read without any visual distractions. Steps 6 and 7, the container page and the root redirect. Next, create a new page in Shopify titled LLMS and paste your passport text into the body, making sure to assign the special LLMS template. Finally, we set up a redirect. We want any bot looking for the standard LLMS.txt address to be sent automatically to our new page. This ensures the robot finds exactly what it needs at the door. Step 8. permitting the AI crawler. We also want to make sure the door is unlocked for OpenAI's specific search bot. In your robots.txt.liquid file, you should explicitly allow the user agent OAI-SearchBot. It is like putting out a digital welcome mat for the AI that powers the biggest search tools, letting it know it has permission to learn about your products. Validation, two-step verification. It is time to check our work. First, visit your new URL in a browser to ensure you see the raw text of your passport. Then, ask an AI like ChatGPT to browse your site and list specific product specs. If it gives you perfect, accurate details like 100% cotton, you know the bridge between your data and the AI is officially open. Maintenance and a static data warning. Just remember that this setup creates a snapshot, not a live feed. If you change your prices or your inventory levels, you must re-export and re-upload your JSON file to keep it current. If you do not refresh it, AI agents might cite outdated prices or tell customers that items are in stock when they are not. Future-proofing commerce. And with that, your implementation is complete. Your store is now officially readable for the next generation of search. You are no longer just optimizing for keywords. You are optimizing for true machine understanding. You have future-proofed your business for the age of AI.